everybody. Today we're gonna unlock. You remember that I had a DeWalt hammer drill? It didn't work only for a couple of weeks, and then I needed to throw it in the garbage and take some spark on paper. So I needed to get a small guy, and of course I get it from Milwaukee. The only tools you can trust. It's I was using Milwaukee for a long time. I never had one problem with it. This is it's an old model. This is not a new version. This is an old version. It's the PH26 TX. It's have 3 models to fix. It's cable, and it is 800 watts. You have a 4-meter cable on it, weight 3 kgs, and it have drilling, hammering, and drilling and hammering. And it goes in the, you can drill it wood, 30 millimeters, and 26 in the cement, and 13 in the metal. You can go from 1500 RPM until 4500 RPM, so that's more than enough if you are doing a small job. If you are doing a big job, you need to get the big boy. It's the K950. That's what I use outside. The K950 is a very heavy duty thing. This is a heavy duty, but that's for if you want to do a small job and you don't want to carry something that weight like 8 kilos. So let's see. Nice bag. It's the bag is made of a very durable plastic. It's not made of cheap quality. It's very good quality. Okay, here's the guy. This is the good boy. He's small. It is small. I had one of this before, but you know, always the small thing look better. The new things looks better. And here's the chuck. There we have the hammer with rotation, hammer and drilling, and only drilling. And that's the most thing I'm gonna use this week. You can you just keep it safe or open. And you have here, you can just press it, keep it on, so you can work without even holding the button. And here you can just screw this, and then you will have it in the place that you need it. Of course, you can change the head, and it's like this, and you can screw this one in. You see what I'm doing or not? I don't know. See, you get this one over here. This is a regular chuck that you use in your regular drills. So you can use normal bits, not the SDS bits, you know. I'll show you, just give me a second. See, there's 2 kinds of bits. There's the SDS Plus and there's the normal. So in this type you can use the SDS, and in this one you can use the normal. So this is the best kind of drill a person can buy if you want to spare some money. So you can use it normal, and you can use it as a hammer drill. So you just put this adapter over here, that's all, and then you plug it in. So you hear the click, that's mean you're okay. You only need to hear the click. So that's all. And then if you wanna take it out, you just pull this one down and pull it out, and then plug in the SDS plus and hear the click and put it in. That's it. Okay, it's a nice small drill. I have some things to do in my a small job I have to do in my balcony. So I have ordered this one. I need to have to drill some holes in 16 millimeters to make some holes in the cement, and I have ordered this one because I'm gonna use most of it on the cement, and this is the first time I order something to use on making holes in the cement. I don't use too much cement. I don't work with cement too much. I have this one can fit if you have a normal drill. This is from Milwaukee for cement and stones. So if you have a normal drill, of course, the FPD2, it's the best normal drill you can buy. It lives for a long time. And you have the bit here you see it is not 4, it is 3 sides. It's like a triangle. So it will hold much better when you are making a drilling in the cement. It's not a regular round shape, it's the very strong. So if you have this drill, you can use this kind of heads on it. It's very good. But me, I will need something that I can hold with 2 hands. So I have ordered this one, and the bits, it can be used 2 kinds of bits on this, you know. You can put the regular and the SDS. So you close it, you roll it. So this is the idea. I'm going to show you some videos me working with this drill, and you will see how strong is it. It's very good. I know, I remember it's a very high level drill. You need to hold here and screw here. It's not like the one you screw here. Here you need, when you screw in this one, you screw it like this and loosen it up like this, because this one is holding here, this side is holding. So you just go like this and it will come out, or you put it in and go like this and it will click in. But in this kind of head, you need to hold down the half under the line and open, or screw it hard, and then you have it okay. So let's plug it and see how it sounds. I don't know, because I have a headset on my head every time I work, so I don't hear the sound of the machines. But we're gonna plug this guy and see. Let's see. That's not high, but that is power. It's not high sound, but it is power. You hear the power, guys? That's the power. It's 800 watts, and you have the model is PH26 TX. So this is the drilling, and if we put it on hammering, so you have the sound of the hammer next to the sound of the rolling, and regular, so circling, and then only hammer, so that's only hammer. So it's Milwaukee, it's a hammer. Okay, I'm gonna use the drilling and the hammer drilling, so that's the most sound I'm gonna hear. But you have, I forgot to tell you, you have the gauge for the drilling gauge in here. I just need to pull it out. I forget to show you. This one is it's made of metal, and you can stick it here, in here, and just make sure it goes in, and that's all. So you will just, it's the gauge for the drilling. I don't use this one too much because I don't need to know how long I'm drilling. I always mark it over here. I mark a tape or something here so I know how much I'm going in. It's much easier. Don't you love the red color? Man. Okay, so this is all. All the work next week will be counting on this drill and making some work in it. I don't know how to put it back, but I will find out. Okay, see you guys and have fun, and remember, if you want to buy something, don't buy a DeWalt, buy a Milwaukee. I have used the DeWalt for 2 weeks and it died, and I have used Milwaukee for years and I never had one machine goes wrong with me. Yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, I have this drill from Bosch. It's the 14.4 volt. Can you imagine? This is 15 years old and it didn't die until now. I don't know how it managed to live all this time. I don't know. It's impossible. Now I'm using it only for countersinking because it cannot do nothing else. It's the power of the batteries is very down. It doesn't it goes in circles, it roll, it do a small job, but you cannot screw with it because there's no power in it. But I'm waiting for it to die. Of course, this is one of my friends over here, and that's all. So see you guys, have fun.